Happy first day of summer. Welcome back. Just received my TopBox. Got Ipsy yesterday in the mail. So let's dig on in. I'm going to do the TopBox first. TopBox is a monthly subscription. It is $10, so it ends up being 13, I think 21 tax in Canadian. So I got to pick one of the choices this month, and it's called Athletic Shore Healthy Body, Healthy Skin. So it is one of the prestige boxes. So let's see what I got. I kind of remember what it is. So I'll pull out, and I can't get that first. So big size. This is the Venin, and it is the face and body cleanser. Awesome. And I believe that 100 ml, perfect. Never tried this specific cleanser, so I look forward to doing that. I might put that one in the shower. Ooh. And this is a sample. I might as well. This is a nighttime cellulite for your body, so that looks good. This is sample Ed. And the Venin, this is the thermal water spray. I like that. That's good when I'm doing makeup on people, if I need to wet the brushes or wet their look. And a dry shampoo. Excellent. One of my faves. That is a good brand. And oh, a few more things. So this is the stuff I couldn't get out the media. So just a little blurb on what the products were. This one here is a coupon for shoppers for $5 off any of these brands at Shoppers. So that is pretty good. I'll look at that a bit closer. So very impressed with this. I got to pick this month, and I actually received what I wanted, so it's good. So definitely worth the money there. 2 deluxe size, 1 full size item. So excellent. So let's dig into Ipsy. Ipsy is another monthly subscription. $10 a month, US, Canada they add $5 for shipping, so it ends up being under $20 with the difference of the dollar. So I got 2 K-Beauty masks to start off with. One is a Natural Detox Apple Sheet Mask, and the other one is a Sika Berry Mask, and that one is for firming. So they both look good. And I got the yellow one this month, so there was like a red corally striped, a blue one, and yellow, and I'm glad I got yellow because that is my favorite color. Let's dig on in. The first thing I see is a Steve Laundrette, and it's an eyeshadow. I got a blush from him before. It was very good. And this one is in, is there a color? Oh, green apple. So I got the green one. Nice. Packaging is good. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, pan size is really good. Definitely gonna knock that out and put that in one of my Z palettes. Really nice. Don't think I'll swatch it yet. I'll just save on that. But I did like the blush from him, so that was very good. So this is Luxurious Lip Stain from Dose. Coral color, not really my thing, but I'll see if I'll use it or not. If not, I'll save it for trades or what have you. Ooh, a Luxie brush. So this is the 245 small shaper. Right there. Might not be a bad, no, I think it's too dense for a concealer brush, but either way, it might be good just for dabbing it on. If not, it'll be good for shaper one under your eye, doing like a little bit of smoke look on the lash line. And the last item is from Feel. It's Pure Anywhere Balm in Rose. So that's only 5 ml. Use as a lip balm or anywhere skin needs nourishment. Oh, cool. And it's sealed. So I can see why it is only small, because it is a balm. Cool. And that is the bag. And this month was Flying Color. So I guess it's with the appreciation of Pride Month. And that goes on in June. So that is this. Don't forget to check out me, Shauna J. Butler, on Instagram and Twitter. Everything, of course, I put on IG. I always go to my Twitter and Facebook. I post unboxings, and I'm going to start to do more with some of the brands I work with. I work with Estee Lauder Clinique, and I just picked up another brand, Bumble and Bumble, which is a hair care brand. I did training on that this morning. So we look forward to that. If you're interested in any of these subscriptions, info is down below. Thanks. Have a great day. Enjoy your summer. Bye.